Speech recognition is not intended to replace people. This is a common misconception, and it's just not true. Speech recognition is not coming to steal your job. Many of our clients set a great example of how Dragon can work with admin teams through using a workflow whereby one member of staff will dictate and the admin team will then see that dictation, proofread it and distribute it. This is a great workflow option for minimising the back and forth between admin teams and the person that's doing the dictation. Not only that, but it also saves a ton of time. Now, believe it or not, this workflow can actually be streamlined even more with the save and send command. This is a custom command that has been created by our support team, and we have many of our clients using it successfully. But what is it? The save and send to admin voice command does exactly what it says on the tin. It saves a document that the user is working on, it opens a new email in Outlook or your desired email application, it attaches the said document to that email, automatically populates your admin, secretary, PA's email address, inputs your desired subject line, and allows you to create some free text and send it. I know what you're thinking. Too good to be true? Let me show you.
So here I have a legal letter template, which I have just drafted as an example. I'm going to finish dictating it, and then I will show you how the save and send to admin command works in a real use case. My colleague Jennifer will coordinate my diary and arrange an appointment with you, full stop, new paragraph. Thank you for choosing Voice Power Law, full stop, new line. Insert digital signature. Save and send to admin. Dear Courtney, comma, next paragraph. I have finished writing this letter for Mr. Jones, full stop. Please can you take a look and make sure everything is okay and send it over to him, full stop. Send email. It has arrived, so the admin would receive it on an email like this. They'll be able to open the letter, fully completed, check it over, make sure everything's okay, and send it over to Mr. Jones. If you think this could be a handy voice command for you to use, it's very easy for us to set up. Just give our support team an email at support@voicepower.co.uk and we'd be more than happy to set that up for you. If you're not using Dragon yet and you think, wow, this looks great, I'd love to give it a try, we are offering 7-day free trials. So drop me a message and I can arrange that for you too. Thanks!